I am Buchumi Alenjoel, coordinator of Lukambas Environment Club, where we implement a project named Restoring Chimpanzee Habitat. To participate in this project is to acknowledge that chimpanzees are like people and they have right to live better. Many years ago, we decided to restore its habitat by planting trees which we produce in our eco-friendly nurseries, making fire caves to protect the forest from bushfires, and digging canals to fight against erosion. A positive difference is now observed with the celebration of Chimpanzee Day on 4th July. People are engaged to participate in restoring chimpanzee habitat. To protect chimpanzee is our concern. The project helped people around Lukambasi, Vyanda and the Bururi Natural Reserve, where we found chimpanzees, to be involved in afforestation and reforestation to allow chimpanzees to get nests and food. Through this project, we have gained much. For example, we have students who are studying the international program for sustainable development thanks to roots and shoots. Those species, include chimpanzees, are important for our present and our future lives. Thank you.